Hey guys, this is Steven with GreenER. I just wanted to give you a brief tutorial on how to use the measurement tool in Google Maps to find the approximate square footage of your property. Now, the first step is obviously going to be opening up Google Maps and you're going to locate your property. Now, you're going to want to be zoomed in enough so that you can see all of your property, filling up the majority of the screen, or as much as you can actually zoom into it without going in too far where it goes off the edges. Now, and the second step is you're going to be switching over to your satellite view. Obviously, it's going to be a little difficult to see exactly where your home is in this view. So we're just going to switch over to satellite view. That way we can see exactly where our lawn is, exactly where the home is, and the driveway. Remember, we're going to try to measure out as much as we can of just the lawn itself and the flower beds. Now, you're going to hover your mouse over the corner of the driveway right here. That's a really good starting point. Either point is perfectly fine. I usually find that starting over here in this corner, wherever there's a little bit more space, or if your property, you have plenty of space on both sides, you can just go ahead and choose whichever you like. You're going to right click. You should get this list, and at the bottom, you'll see measure distance. Click on that one. And then we're just going to start following around our property. So let's see, our fence is right around here. We're going to click right there. Then we're going to go up to the top, to the backyard, all the way down, across the back, all the way back down. Now there's a little bit of space right here, which is going to click right beside of that. Back up. Now this is the part where it gets a little bit tricky. Depending on the shape of your home, you may have to play around with this a little bit. If you have a pool or you have a shed, in some cases, maybe your driveway goes all the way back and you have your parking garage back here. Whichever the case may be for you, you might just have to play with the system a little bit in order to get this as correct as possible, where you want to try to exclude as much of the home and the driveway and leave as much of the actual lawn and flower beds as possible. In this case, it's rather simple. Like I said, we're just going to click to the side of that one. We're going to go all the way to the back of the home. So as you can see, we're trying to start filling up this space. So this space in between the lines is what we're going to be using to account as our area. We're going to go all the way across this little patio area, then back down the side of the home, making sure that we're just sticking to the side of the home itself. See, we're just creating the space within the fence in the home, the backyard, the other side of the home as well. In the front, we're just going to go across the front of the house, back towards the driveway. Once again, we're just leaving this area included and we're trying to exclude the home as much as possible. And then lastly, we're just going to connect it right back to our starting point. Look down here and you can see that our total area is approximately 4,400 square feet. Now, depending on exactly where you put these dots, it can vary a little, but as long as you have a very approximate, I would say anywhere between 200 to 300 square feet, you'll have a very good idea of where you need to be. Once again, depending on your home, this can vary large amount. The shape of your home may affect quite a bit how long you have to sit here and kind of move the little points around. Just take your time, be patient. I know you'll figure it out. All right, thank you guys.